fits in your shoes, right? Yeah, woo!
You know, it really is amazing how many people are now walking pain-free because of WalkFit orthotics. People just like many of you and you at home who had foot pain and foot-related pain. We're talking leg cramps, aching knees and hips, lower back pain. And it all began with their feet. WalkFit orthotics went into their shoes, straightened out their feet, and the other problems went away too.
Stewie, you've heard me say this for years. It's alignment, alignment, alignment. You align your feet and you help align your whole body. You know, as a doctor, it is so gratifying to hear from so many patients and friends whose lives have been dramatically affected by wearing WalkFits. They're up, they're out, they're golfing, walking, shopping, doing whatever they want to do, pain-free.
The best thing, no doubt about it, is I'm able to be a grandpa again. The WalkFits really are a blessing. 100% grandpa. Very happy guy, very lucky guy.
Now, we've seen these blocks before.
Yes, they represent your body, your foot, your ankle, your knee, your hip, your back, all the way up. When everything's aligned, it's stable. But what happens when your foot or your ankle goes out of alignment? Everything compensates. Your bones can't support you, so your muscles try, but they get tired and something gives out somewhere, and you end up with pain somewhere between your feet and your back.
But WalkFits help.
The beauty of an orthotic is that it aligns the foot and ankle. Then everything else goes back into balance. The WalkFit makes you feel a whole lot better. As you can see in this animation, if you're out of alignment, the whole body suffers. The ankle breaks down, the knees turn inward, the hip drops, the back tries to compensate, putting incredible strain on all your muscles and tendons. But with the WalkFit, you help realign the heel and ankle. The knee straightens, the hip realigns. You're putting your entire body in better balance with stability and comfort. Remember, we're not just treating a foot problem, we're treating a body problem as well.
This WalkFit looks a little different than the old WalkFit.
Well, Mimi, we still have the same effective WalkFit design as before, but we've added two significant changes. We added a specialized gel pad where it counts most, directly under the heel. With this gel pad, you get much more cushioning and protection.
Well, that's great, Doc. But I also noticed that you changed the color.
Well, Stewie, it's not just a color change. We've added a patented material called nanosilver. It's an antimicrobial agent that helps resist and control odor. Take a look. We took a cotton swab with bacteria and fungal spores and rubbed it on a petri dish. We then sprinkled half the dish with nanosilver and waited. Less than 24 hours later, the unprotected side was covered with fungus. The side with nanosilver, still clean and clear.
I'd get a pair of WalkFit just to keep my feet fresh, and I'd give a pair to everyone I know.
But everything else that made the WalkFit so effective is still the same, right, Doc?
The shape of the new WalkFit is the same, and the support and the stability are the same. It all begins with a BioLock heel cup. It supports both sides and the back of your foot to help lock the foot in and keep the heel from rolling. This is extremely important for stability. Then you've got your metatarsal and sagittal arch support. This helps distribute the excessive forces so you land evenly and correctly. And most important, the WalkFit flexes to help absorb shock and then returns the energy to your foot to help you walk. Your foot actually conforms to the WalkFit, not the other way around.
We discussed this during the last show. It's like those back chairs that place your back and spine in the correct position to alleviate the pressure and the pain. And the WalkFit does the same for your feet.
Exactly. And we still have our patented Comfort Arch inserts. 3 different thicknesses. These are going to give you the kind of fit and comfort you want the very first time you put them in your shoes. Along with the new gel pad, we now have an orthotic that protects, stabilizes, cushions, and absorbs shock like nothing else.
Tell us exactly what's happening down there with our feet and why everyone should wear WalkFit.
Okay, let's go take a look at the skeletal muscles again. Now, as I've said before, there are 26 bones in the foot, and they all must work in harmony. When you walk, the foot collapses, and the bones can go out of alignment. And when I place it under the foot and press down, you'll see that the orthotic is maintaining the alignment of the foot.
The WalkFit really can make a dramatic difference in your life.
You also said that WalkFit Platinums are great for athletes, too.
They are great for athletes. When you run or jump, you're hitting the ground with 3 to 4 times your body weight. That's 300 to 400% more pressure on your joints. You'd be foolish not to have WalkFit in all your athletic shoes.
Well, I know I use orthotics in my golf shoes. It really makes walking the golf course a lot easier.
And Stewie, they can also give you a much more balanced swing by getting your pressure back over your heels off the ball of your foot where you're out of balance.
And they last a lifetime, guaranteed.
For Dr. Alan Selner, Mimi Umadon, and me, Stuart Pankin, be happy, be healthy, and walk fit.
Marketing. Έξυπνα προϊόντα.